What is up, guys? I am abeerrao. Welcome to my channel abeerrao, and I just wanted to show you this Python bot that I've built for replying to tweets. And I've used the tweepy library for this. So this is the code for it. I won't show you the access keys and all that because that's secret. But basically what I'm doing is I am making a new object of the tweepy thing, and what this is doing is just making sure that we get the right Twitter ID and the access key and all of that. Then we're creating a file which is called last seen ID. It stores the last seen ID of the person who mentions me. So if I mention to me right now, then this last seen ID would update. Right now it's this, but then it would update. Then we have defined functions to get the last seen ID and also to store it. Then reply to tweets. So this is basically checking if someone has mentioned us and that mention has the hashtag hello world in it. Then we just want to reply to that tweet with the text hashtag hello world back to you. Okay, so let me just run this real quick. Okay, so I have this dummy Twitter account. I'll say hashtag @Shepard wounded. That's my Twitter ID. I say hashtag hello world there. If I tweet this out, let's view my tweet, and here if we see, it'll just come because we have this time.sleep 15 minutes, which means it will update every 15 seconds. No, not minutes, it will update every 15 seconds. Here you have the ID of the person who mentioned me. It says hashtag hello world, and it says found hello world, and right now it is responding back. So here I go in my notifications. It says replying to Quarter Boy, that's my dummy Twitter account. It says hashtag hello world back to you via the Shepard replier. That is the name of the app which I've built with Twitter developers. Let's just get rid of that. And here you can see tweets and replies. See, here it is. And it says hashtag hello world, and I've replied hashtag hello world back to you. So that is going to be it for this video and this real cool little bot that I made. Hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.